Here we are in Arlington Heights on a residential project. As you can see, this sidewalk has been raised before. Look at these very obvious old mudjacking holes. The concrete has sunk again after it was mudjacked. Here, the step height from the sidewalk up to the porch is way too tall. It's not even within code anymore. And then we move on to the driveway where you can see that it's cracked, dropped, creating a trip hazard and catching water when it rains. Probably though, the most significant part of the job is this side sidewalk. You can see there are several areas where there are nasty trip hazards. And as you move down further, the step going into the side door of the garage is way too tall, causing an unsafe condition. And now you can see here how the sidewalk is obviously sloped towards the foundation, sending all the rainwater where it doesn't belong. And then this gutter, which really needs an extension put on it, is dumping water right onto the concrete. However, once we get this lifted, the concrete will at least cause this water to drain away from the house. But again, we really think it needs an extension. And then here is the patio, which we have already started to lift. We're raising to eliminate uneven surfaces, correct pitch to make the water drain away from the house, and we're also injecting areas to fill voids because this patio has a lot of hollow areas beneath it. What makes polyurethane concrete raising so effective is the way the foam works before the lift even begins. As it expands, the material doesn't immediately push the slab upward. First, it forces its way downward and outward, compacting the subbase and locking loose soils into place. Only when the ground beneath is stable enough does the foam begin lifting the concrete itself. This means the slab isn't just raised, it's supported by a denser, stronger foundation than it had before. That's why Acme can confidently provide a warranty many times greater than what homeowners typically receive from a contractor who simply replaces concrete. With polyurethane, you're not just restoring a surface, you're improving the ground it rests on. With the lift complete, the concrete has been restored to its proper elevation. Slabs that once created uneven transitions and unsafe conditions are now stable, level, and properly pitched to move water away from the structure. Joints have been carefully aligned, eliminating trip hazards and leaving smooth, clean transitions that enhance both safety and appearance. What makes this process different from a quick surface fix is precision. Our Smart Lift system allows us to make controlled adjustments within fractions of an inch, ensuring every section of concrete fits together the way it was originally designed. The result is a permanent solution backed by a warranty far stronger than what homeowners typically receive with full replacement. With polyurethane lifting, the surface doesn't just look better, it functions better, providing long-term peace of mind and real property value.